New channeling topics. Wave 10. Prismatic continuity. 10th cascade of themes for long-form channelings. 12. 15K. Aligned with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding frames, and numerology keys. Emojis included, no questions inside the texts. Ask for any with Dame Uno plus number. Dunter 217. Clarity metrics. Measuring what truly matters. Focus. Track coherence and kindness, not just clicks. Angles to weave. Mission KPIs. Prayerful analytics. 3 non-negotiables. 8 stewardship numerology. Afterglow reviews. Tareko 218. DM covenants. Gentle access. Clean boundaries. Focus. Keep direct messages humane and sovereign. Angles to weave. Office hour gates, reply windows, scope limits, 5 freedom numerology, repair scripts. Darf 219. Cognitive declutter. Mind space, hygiene. Focus. Reduce mental tabs to raise presence and joy. Angles to weave. Thought dumps, breath resets, 9 closure code, mantra anchors, focus sprints. Dunk 220. Energetic escrow. Holding space for agreements. Focus. Park energy safely until terms are clear. Angles to weave. Consent checkpoints, scope vows, refund grace, 4 structure numerology, completion bells. 221. Soft focus engine. Precision without strain. Focus. Aim attention like silk and steel. Angles to weave. Archer stance, jaw unhook, 1 to 3 to 9 momentum, mirror declarations, blue flame seal. 222. Scent and sound design. Fieldcraft for rooms and streams. Focus. Curate atmospheres that calm and invite truth. Angles to weave. Low frequency hums, rose and cedar pairing, 7 coherence numerology, entry blessing. 223. Refund liturgy. Repair with beauty. Focus. Turn refunds into trust multipliers. Angles to weave. 4-step apology, gift coupons, timeline review, 9 closure code, gratitude letters. Bartupa 24. Living FAQ temples. Teaching at scale with care. Focus. Answer once, love many times, keep sovereignty. Angles to weave. Consent scope, archive vaults, 22 builder numerology, update cadence, tone guidelines. 225. Micro promises, tiny commitments that hold. Focus. Build reliability with small, kept vows. Angles to weave. Scope clarity, renegotiation windows, 3 joy numerology, calendar tokens, celebration ledger. 226. Touch ethics, somatic consent in healing arts. Focus. Restore dignity and safety in bodywork and ritual. Angles to weave. Verbal consent, opt-out gestures, 5 freedom numerology, aftercare notes, witness policy. Barkas 227. Leak mapping. Where energy quietly leaves. Focus. Find and seal recurring drains. Angles to weave. Time audit, device hygiene, cord rewrite, 7 discernment numerology, buffer days. 228. Peer prosperity. Collaboration without competition. Focus. Grow together with transparent value flows. Angles to weave. Revenue splits, referral sanctuaries, 8 reciprocity numerology, attribution vows, gratitude swaps. 229. Praise hygiene. Appreciation that frees, not hooks. Focus. Celebrate without creating pressure or dependency. Angles to weave. Specifics over hype, consent to quote, 6 care numerology, repair option, release blessing. Dario 230. Pace of truth. Timing, clean communication. Focus. Speak when bodies can hold it. Angles to weave. Breath pacing, window of tolerance, 4 gates of speech, 7 coherence code, aftermath care. Doka 231. Creative ramp. From stuck to shipped. Focus. Build ladders out of freeze into flow. Angles to weave. 45-minute sprints, safe to ship vow, 5 adaptability numerology, celebration tokens, public release. October 232. Attention fasts. Digital Sabbaths. Focus. Reset dopamine and recover depth. Angles to weave. 24-hour tech exile. T-vigil. 7-minute stillness. 7 rest numerology. Gratitude walks. 233. Youth sovereignty. Teen agreements in community. Focus. Protect growth with clear rights and roles. Angles to weave. Consent gates. Repair circles. Screen hygiene. 6 care numerology celebration boards. 234. Body memory unwinding. Movement as biodecoding. Focus. Release old stories through rhythm and breath. Angles to weave. Shake and hum. Pendulation. 9 closure code. Mirror mantras. Water blessing. 235. Guardian roles. Gatekeeping without control. Focus. Hold thresholds with love and clarity. Angles to weave. Entry vows. Strike system. 4 structure numerology. Exit blessings. Consent signage. Dabia 236. The Archivist Heart. Curating a legacy that loves. Focus. Preserve works as gifts across time. Angles to weave. Naming conventions. Witness vaults. 22 builder numerology. Memorial pages. Gratitude index. Darsu 237. Integrity disclaimers. Marketing that tells the truth. Focus. Sell with transparency and mercy. Angles to weave. Scope limits. Expected effort. Refund windows. 8 stewardship numerology. Consent to unsubscribe. 238. Silent mentorship. Teaching by presence. Focus. Guide without noise through example and signal. Angles to weave. Office hours. Practice logs. 11 inspiration numerology. Witness letters. Ritual of thanks. Bara 239. Pilgrim projects. Offerings as journeys with waypoints. Focus. Design deliverables as soulful paths. Angles to weave. Threshold rights. Restway stations. 22 builder numerology. Repair hosts. Afterglow integration. 240. Night watch. Lunar guard for sensitive creators. Focus. Protect dream time and morning signal. Angles to weave. Device exile. T-vigil. Dream Ink ledger. 7 coherence code. Gentle dawn protocol. Usage note. Ask for any item by number with Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English with emojis, Arcturian, Buddhist, Christ consciousness, Unity wisdom, PNL tools, biodecoding frames, numerology keys, real-life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.